Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix a ChatGPT unusual error activity detected. So this is going to be a quick tutorial for you guys. And right now I'm currently inside ChatGPT. If you're seeing that it's a bit dark, because this is the dark theme I'm using right now. And I enabled this one just by going to settings right there and changing it to the dark theme. Now moving forward, for example, you're experiencing that error. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you to do is basically log out. Simply log out and logging in can really fix that problem. So that's step one. Now step two is going to be copying the ChatGPT link right there. Open up a private browser, or we call it incognito. Now once you're in here, sign up, log into your account, and basically it fixes the problem. Now let's just say that the problem still persists. Going back on the main website, the original that's not incognito, click on the three dots. Again, I'm using right now Microsoft Edge. If you're using the Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox or any other browser you have, even if you have a Mac, the process will be the same. So three dots right there, looking for the one that says extensions. Should be this one right here. Now, everything in my extension, I'm going to go for manage. So I'm going to disable everything here. All right. Again, I'm going to disable every extension I have here and basically rerun ChatGPT, and that will fix the problem. So disabling everything would be the good one to go here. It's going to be easy as disabling that one, disabling this one, and disabling that one right there. Just rerun, log in, log out, or log out and log in, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.